Okay, so we will start with 4.1, but before that, we're continuing 9.4, which is inequalities in two variables. So we're still continuing this discussion yesterday. Let's see. All right, so where is my notes yesterday? Oh, I'm going to share the desktop. Let's see. Okay, so let's see, share the desktop. Oh, 9.4, right? This one. Oh, no, not this one. This is the math inequalities in two variables. Is this the one that we did? I think this is math 125. Isn't it? It's not, yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Let me open a new file. Let me find 9.4. Where is it? Not this one. I thought I saved it yesterday. Hold on. Didn't I save it? Okay, so let's continue then. Let's just do more example. I don't know where my 9.4 is. Yeah. So let's continue. All right. So 9.4 continuation. All right. Let's see here. .4. Okay. So what number is it? How many examples did I do yesterday? 2. So this is the third one. All right. Solve. Let's see. We have, what about these? Solve by graphing or graph. I'm supposed to say graph. All right. X minus y is less than or equal to 2. And then, did we do this? X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. And y is less than or equal to 4. So did we do this yesterday? No, right? Okay. So let's do this. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Okay. Now, what should we do on the first equation? X minus y is less than or equal to 2, and the equation of the line is what? X minus y is equal to 2. Good. Now, how are we going to graph this? Oh, x and y intersect? Okay. Yeah. All right. All right, so this is x and this is y. When x is 0, what is y? So when x is 0, this whole thing is gone. So what is y? Negative y is equal to 2, so y is negative 2. Yes, good. When y is 0, what is x? When y is 0, x is 2? All right. So you have 2 points, 0, negative 2, and 2, 0, and we could graph it. All right. So the other thing I don't want to do it on the board is it's a little bit harder to draw the number lines, right? So like this is a little bit harder. All right. So x, y, 0, negative 2 is right here. And 2, 0 is right here. Now let me ask you, is the line solid or dash?
Solid.
Solid, yes. Why is it solid? Greater than or equal to, yes. So let's choose a test point. Oh, let me draw the line first. So this is -2, this is 2, and then let's draw the line. So x minus y is equal to 2. So this is the label of the line. Now, what test point should we choose? Yes. So 0, 0 is not on the line. So let's choose 0, 0. All right. Now, 0, 0, so we have 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 2. Is it true or false? True, yay. So it's this direction because it has to include 0, 0, right? So we shade it later. But the direction that we're shading is the top part, not the bottom part. Why do we choose the top part? Because it includes the top region contains the 0, 0, 0. Yeah, and it's true. All right. Can you guys try the second one and the third one? Okay, so I'll wait. Yeah. So really, nobody looked at the sample test? Because we have what problems. I think we should discuss that at least, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, try it. So x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, I'm gonna go around and see if you need help. Okay. Is it recording? Yeah. Okay. So first point. You gotta start with first point right away. When it's your first line. You don't have to write it, but you need to choose the region right away. So you did the first one on your head. Yeah, that's fine. As long as you do it right away. Yeah. Is it solid or dash? No, this is solid. Yeah, it's solid. Oh, yeah. You want to say it? Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, so you're looking at okay, as long as you know that. You're going to choose the area right away. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Better I told you no, right? So always do the test point right after. Oh, I don't know this. Do the test point right after. What is that? So basically, you know how to read the lines, right? Right, and then you need to shade area. Okay, so this line there. So you do yeah, anyone. Doesn't matter what, right? But the easiest one is 0, 0. Then, after you put 0, 0, you are going to substitute it to origin of inequality. Yes, so 8 times 0 is 0. Yes, true. So 0 is not true, so it's 0, 0, the region you should change it. But if you have 3 inequalities, you only change it. That's why here I didn't change. I'm just saying that this is my sign that says that, oh, this is the correct region. So I didn't shape because I need to shape the intersection. After I draw all those 3, then I only shape the intersection. Is that okay? But one by one, you got to do it one by one. So for example, later on, you will choose the region, and then you're going to the second one. You got it? Okay. Are you doing that? Where is my answer? Okay, so which one is where is my transform? I don't think which area is it? 0. So 0 plus 0 is greater than 8. Much below, like about. No, it's 1. That's it. Yeah. So usually what you want to do is draw the line all the way under the line. You know, it's like a ball. Okay? So you draw the line all the way up to the top. Yeah. Yeah. Let me write down the other problem if you're done, okay? So try this one if you're done, and then I'll go back to you, and then, let's see, I'll go back to you, Hugo. But if you're done, then you could try this one. 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. 5x plus 6y is less than or equal to 30. And then 1 is less than x is less than 3. Okay, so if you're done, you can try that. Yes. Yes. Okay, this is 1. Did you listen for each one? This one, right? Yeah. Yeah. You're okay? How about you? No, because it's like for 4, each one is less than 4. Yeah. Okay, you need help? So, first of all, this is a region, so you have the equation for line. So it's easy to change this equation. That's the equation for line. This one stays the same. Yes, but the equation, this one is 3.5. Then, how would you do that this one? You know that, right? Okay, there are 2 methods. You can use this one, okay, I use the instant, or remember you can talk to y. Okay, yeah, either one. Okay, it doesn't matter which one. So you choose one as long as you can grab it. Good. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. Remember last time you dropped it? So you can continue, right? Yes. This is greater than or equal to. It's not equal to. So it's common outcome. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. You can see the blood there. Oh, yeah, I do. And then it also falls. Right. So the growth one, that one is over to consensus falls, which is those here and how to right? Yes. Okay. And this one, you know, this is like 4. Which one is less than 4? Below or above? Which is less than 4? Yes. Yeah. So then, right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yes. Okay. Okay. I think this one is the other way around, 0.4 and 8.0. Right? Yeah, I think we have it here. 0.4 is here, 8.0 is here, so you're minus there. No, you have to follow your point. 0.4 is right here, and whatever is 0. Yeah. Yeah. So you do a line right. Okay, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So it's between 1 and 3. Oh, and 3. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Somebody ask a question. Were you asking a question? Can we discuss it? It just says x is in between 1 and 3. So that x is greater than or equal to 1, and x is, so it's basically the last one. The last one, you could actually say 1 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 3. That's what it is. So it just says, this one is actually just translated, x is in between 1 and 3. That's what it says. Yeah. All right, so I think we should do the second one. Yeah. Okay. The first one is okay? Yeah? Okay, I don't have to do the first one? The graph between 1 and 3? Oh, the first one, it looks like this, 0.4, I think, right? And then this is 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just say this is 8. The graph, the second one looks like this. Yeah, I know I have to draw it longer, right? And then when you do the test point, it's false, so you choose this area. Do you see this? Okay. And this is 4. So this one, this is y equals 4. And which one is less than or equal to 4? Do I shape below or above? Below, yes. So which one is my intersection? Yes. So this is your intersection right here. Yeah? So that's number 1. Did everybody correct? Yeah. Okay. So should I discuss this? Number 1? No, just discuss number 2. Okay, let's discuss number 2. Okay, let me copy number 2 first. Hold on. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so let's see. How do we graph the first one here for number 2? 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. So the first one is the equation of the line. What is the equation of the line? 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay. How do you want to graph this line? Now, there are many ways, but since x and y are on one side, it's easier if we use the intercepts. Yeah. You could solve for y, which is fine. Any method is fine, but this is the easiest since x and y are on one side here. Okay. So if x is 0, so this whole thing is gone. If x is 0, what is 3 times 0? 0. So you only have 4y. So 4y is equal to 12. So what is y? 3. Yes. Now, if y is 0, so this whole thing is gone, right? So what is x? So 3x is 12, x is 4. All right. Yes? Okay. So let's start graphing. Is this okay for you, the graphing using intercept? Yeah. Or can you solve for y? Yes, you can. So you could graph using any method as long as you can graph it. All right. Okay, so 0, 3 is right here. And then 4, 0 is right here. And draw the straight line. All right. So label this line. This is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, good. Now, test points. So this is not horizontal or vertical, so we need test points. All right. So what is the test point? 0, 0. It's not on the line. So is it true or false? False. So if you already know false, you don't even have to write the test point down, right? But since this is your notes, let me write it. So 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 12, and we know it is false. So we choose which area, the top or the bottom? The top, yes. Good. Now, the second one, let's see, what was the second one? 5x plus 6y is less than or equal to 30. So the equation of the line is 5x plus 6y is equal to 30. Do we know how to graph this? Yes, how? Yes, you can do intercepts. Do you want to solve for y here? You can solve for y. Should we solve for y so that you remember? Yeah. So you can do intercepts like this, or let's solve for y. So 6y is negative 5x plus 30, and then divide by 6. So this is okay too to graph. So y is equal to negative 5 over 6x plus 5. Do we know the slope? Negative 5 over 6. Do we know the y-intercept? Okay, good. So I start with 0, 5. And then what do you do? Go down 5, go to the right, 6. All right. Oh, is it? Are they parallel? Okay. Looks like parallel. No, the slope is different, right? Go down 5, 0, 5. What is the slope here? Hold on. So the slope here is 3 over 4, negative 3 over 4, and the other one is, oh, okay. So they intersect, they're not parallel, right? Is it parallel? No, they will meet somewhere here. Let me see. Did I copy the problem right? Is this the problem that I gave you, Aaron? Yeah, it is here somewhere. Yeah, 3 miles away. Yes, it's probably in my house, near my house, the intersection. Yeah, right. Okay. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's choose the test point. It doesn't matter. Yes, test point, but they're not parallel actually. They just look parallel. What is the test point? 0, 0? Okay, so what do we do with 0, 0? Yes, so 5 times 0 is 0, 6 plus times 0 is 0, less than or equal to 30. Is it true or false? True. Okay, so this is below. All right. So now the last one. No, the last one is 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. It just says that x is in between 1 and 3. Well, it's between 1. This is x equals 1. Do you know that x equals 1 is a vertical line? Yes, so it's between, this is x equals 1. And then this is x equals 3. So it just says x is in between 1 and 3. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. You're right. Should be 3. All right, then which one is the solution? No, which one is the graph of the solution? So it's this one right here, right? Because it says x is in between 1 and 3. Yes. Yes, you have to draw both of them. Yeah. Okay. So it says x has to be between 1 and 3. All right. Doable? Yes. Okay. Good. Now, let's look at your sample test. Do you have it in front of you? Because I want to discuss the word problems. Does it have word problems on your sample test? Okay. That's what I want to discuss. Unless you have some other questions. So can I ask you a favor next time? Can you look at it before? Yeah. So, because I'd like to discuss it, and but I want you to look at it first. Okay. That's 115.38. Which one's the word problem? Okay, number 16, 17. Oh, okay. Number 16 and 17. Oh, I don't have motion problem and everything else here. All right. So now, let me save this file. Save as. So this is continuation for Math 115. All right, so let's continue, yeah? So I'm going to do sample test chapter 3 and 8. All right, so new. So sample test. Chapter 3 and 8, and actually 9.4. All right, so let's look at number 16. Are you guys ready? Where is it in front of you? Because this is what problem. You need to have the problem in front of you. Yeah. Okay, so Gloria collected 19 fantail and comet goldfish. So do you guys have fish? No, I don't either. Yeah, goldfish. So Gloria collected 19 fantail and comet goldfish. There were 3 fewer fantails than comets. How many comets did Gloria have? So do you understand the story? This is a total value problem. Do we need a table? No. So Gloria collected 19 fantail and comet goldfish. There were 3 fewer fantails than comets. How many comets did Gloria have? So how should we answer the question? 16? No, we have to write down the equation. Yes, so step 1. Fantail. What letter do you want to use for fantail? F. So F is the number of fantail fish. Comet. So we use what letter? C. The number of comet goldfish. Okay. Step 2, there is no table. Step 3, okay. What are the two equations? Yes, F plus C is equal to 19. So this is your total. What about and it says that there were 3 fewer fantails than comets. So how do I write that? So which one is more? If we say that there were 3 fewer fantails than comets, which one is more? Comet. So you could say the comet minus the fantails is equal to 3, right? Which one? Or you could say comet is equal to fantail plus 3, or fantail is equal to comet minus 3. But the easiest one is choose the bigger one. Which one is big? Which one is more, fantail or comet? Comet. So the difference is 3. So comet minus fantail is 3. Does that make sense? Yes. Okay, so the more minus the less is equal to the difference. I think that's the easiest one to translate. Yeah? Okay, so can you solve this? Okay. So try solving it and then tell me the answers. And then we will do number 17. So what would you use? Would you use substitution or elimination? Elimination, so you have to arrange them first, right? If you want to use elimination. So if you want to use elimination, then you have F plus C is 19, and then negative F plus C is 3, right? So you have to arrange them first, and then you can eliminate. So 2C is equal to 22. So what is C? 11. So there are 11. What about fantail? How much? How many? 8. Yes. So substitute C equals 11 to equation 1. So we have F plus 11 is equal to 19. What is F? 8. Right? So how many comet? So comet is 11 fish, and then fantail is 8 fish. Right? Okay. Easy? Nope, that's not easy. This is the easiest one. No? Don't you think this is easy? Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Which one is hard, though? It's early. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. Number 17. Yeah. So this is also a word problem. All right. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 28 centimeters. One side is 10 centimeters longer than the other side. Find the length of the sides. So step 1, and then this is a rectangle, so we could draw the rectangle. All right. So what do we know about the rectangle? What do we know about rectangle? Yes, that's right. That the perimeter is 28 centimeters. And then? Okay, so if I call this X, what about the other side? Y. Right. So X is the first side. Okay. What about the other side? Y is the second side. Now, step 3, what are the two equations? Yes, the perimeter is 28, so 2x plus 2y is equal to 28. Good. And then it says that one side is 10 centimeter longer, so how do I say that? So you could look at the other one, like which one's longer, which one's shorter, and then write down the difference. Or you could say, what equation would you have? Here. One side is 10 centimeter longer than the other side. So what should I write here? Come on, guys, you can do it. This is not hard. One side is 10 centimeter longer, so how do I do that? What plus 10? Okay, which one is longer in my graph, in my diagram? The y. Okay, so y minus x, what is the difference? 10, yes. So this is easy, right? So the longer minus the shorter is equal to the difference. Or you could say y is equal to x plus 10. Same thing, isn't it? So either way, but you need to know the easier one would be the longer minus the smaller equals to the difference. All right, so now let's see. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Do we know how to solve it? Yeah, how? How do we solve it? Elimination? Yeah, so you have to arrange them. I think substitution might be easier, right? So solve for y. So step 4. Why don't I wait for you? I think you guys could do it, and then tell me the answer. What is the length? Yeah, find the length of the side. All right, what was the answer? Not yet? 2 and 12? Is that right? Okay. So the sides are 2 what? Centimeter and 12 centimeter. Did everybody get the same one? Yep. Okay. So it's easy. Oh, then tomorrow's test will be easy. Okay, number 19. How about this? I know you guys are afraid of fractions. This is easy too? Yeah, that's right. So you should not be afraid of fraction. Oh, you know what? When's Halloween? 31st. That day I'm not going to be here. My daughter's coming. Yeah. No, not for Halloween, for something else. Yeah, but it just happened that it is Halloween, so I'm going to cancel the class on the 31st. Yeah, so you guys can go trick or treat. No, it's Monday. Yeah, that Monday I will not be here. Yeah, so yes, okay. So anyway, isn't it next Monday? No, 2 Mondays. So October 31st, I'm not gonna be here. Yeah, my daughter is coming to town, so I have to go with her somewhere. There's some important things I need to do with her during weekdays, so yes. Okay guys, can we do this? I'm leaving November 4th, so you will have a sub on November 6th, 7th, November 6th till 10th. Yes. No, she's going with me. So Melanie is going with me. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. She and I are going to conference, two of us. Yeah. So it's going to be my department chair. He's very nice. Yeah. So Dr. Casimir, Joseph Casimir. He's very nice. My department chair. So number 19, what should we do here? Cancel the fraction? Yes. So 20, 20, 20. Okay, good. So LCD, right? 20 divided by 5, 4. 20 divided by 4, 5 is equal to times 20. So what do we have if after I cancel the fraction? 4x plus or minus 5y is equal to 60. And this is equation 1. Right. Can you do for the second one? What's my LCD? 10. Yes, you're right. Remember, this one you have to multiply by 10 also. 10 divided by 5, 2. And then 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay. So what do I have here? 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. And this is equation 2. We eliminate, right? Don't we eliminate? Yes. Okay. So, this is messy. Okay. So what do I have? 8x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 10. Okay, good. Then what? Yes, so y's cancel. Yes, so substitute x equals to 10 to equation 2. Okay, so x equals to 10 to equation 2. Then how do I do that? 4 times 10 plus 5y is equal to 20. So 40 plus 5y is equal to 20. And then what? Yes. You subtract 40? So 5y is negative 20. What is y? Negative 4. All right. So my answer is 10, comma, negative 4. Yes? Easy? Oh, okay. What else should we do on here? Graphing? That's easy. Okay. What is it? Substitution, elimination. Oh, the parallel, perpendicular? Yes? Okay. So number 9 and 10. Number 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes, 1 or 2. Yes. Yes, you're right. But you know, the equation 1 has negative, so it's easier to work when it's positive. That's why I choose 2. But can you do it to equation 1? Yes, you can. Yeah. So remember the parallel perpendicular. How about number 9? Let's do number 9. Yeah. Oh, so today I don't start chapter 4. Okay. So tomorrow I will. Yeah. Oh, tomorrow you have a test. So what homework's due? Oh, I was gonna, no homework's due on Math Excel, then on Sunday. Let me just open your previous quizzes. Do we have any previous quizzes online? Okay, so I'll just open them, so you have to take them if you haven't. Okay? Yeah. So you could get better for the quizzes. How many quizzes do we have online? 4? Okay. I'd like you to take the integer and fraction also. Yeah. So, okay, so let me do this and then I'll announce it to you. Okay, so basically this is 1 comma negative 5, and then it says that write the point and then perpendicular to, oh, I'm sorry, parallel to, so it passes through 1 comma negative 5, parallel to y is equal to 2x minus 7. All right, so how do we do it? Remember what we did before? Yeah, we split it into 2. You remember this? Okay. So what do you know about line 1? Line 1 is y is equal to 2x minus 7, right? What do you know about line 2? Yes, and then line 2 is parallel to line 1. Remember this? Okay, so what are you going to do? The slope is 2. So what is the slope here? Okay, so what is your equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Remember that? Okay, so y minus y1, what is y1? Plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. Do you know why this is plus 5, not negative 5? Negative 5, yes. Negative of negative 5. So y plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 2. So y is 2x, and then subtract by 5 both sides. Minus 7. Finish. Oh, it's the same line, isn't it? Okay, good. Now, number 10. Let's see. I think this one should say not 1 comma negative 5, but 1 comma negative 6 or 1 comma negative 7. Then that would be different. Yeah. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, number 10. So the line which is passing through negative 4 comma negative 6 and perpendicular to y, so perpendicular to y is equal to 1/3 x plus 11. I think the question might be a little difficult on the parallel perpendicular, because I think mine has fraction, the answer. So this is line 1, this is line 2. What do we know about line 1? The equation of line, y is equal to 1/3 x plus 11. What do we know about line 2? Negative 4, negative 6, and L2 is perpendicular to line 1. All right. Now, what am I supposed to do on the line 1 part? The slope is 1/3. Good. So what is in line 2? Negative 3 over 1, so negative 3. All right. Now, what is your equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Do you know why I don't use this equation? Do I have a y-intercept here? Is this a y-intercept? No, the x is not 0, so this is not a y-intercept. Yes? So y minus y1, what is y minus y1? Y plus 6 is equal to negative 3 times x plus 4. Yes. So y plus 6 is equal to negative 3x minus 12. Yeah. So y is equal to negative 3x, and then subtract 12 both sides, minus 18. All right. Yes? Mine will have fractions here, I think, on the answers, but I can't remember. I'm sorry? Oh, nothing? Nothing? No, like the slope, I think on mine, on my test, it will be fraction, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. Yeah. So you need to be able to deal with fractions also. Yeah. Now, last one. What about this? Number 7. Find the equation of line that passes through 3, 2, and, anyway, sorry. Number 8, because this one's easy. So number 8, we want to find the equation of line that passes through 8, 0, and 6, -3. I want to find the equation of the line. Okay, so next time, Laura, please pay attention. So what should we do here? Find the slope first? Okay, so how do we find the slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Yes, y2 minus y1. What is y2 minus y1? -3 minus 0 divided by 6 minus 8. So this is -3 divided by, which is 3/2. Yes, good. No, this is the slope. I want the equation. How do we find the equation? You choose one point. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, what is y1? 0 is equal to m, 3/2 times x minus x1. What is x1? 8, yes. So y minus 0, which is y, 3/2x. What is 3/2 times 8? You can write here 3/2 times 8. So here. So we cancel first. So y is 3/2x minus what? 12. Finished. All right. Yes. Doable? Okay. So what's going to happen tomorrow? You have a test. So you have to bring what? Portfolio and a scientific calculator. Now, I'm going to reopen your online quizzes, and I'm going to give you one more chance. So how many times now? 3? So it's one more. And the other thing is, you have to do the integer and fraction quiz. So integer and fraction quiz without calculator. Will you remember this? Any homework due? No. Only the quizzes will be reopened. Yeah. For Sunday. Yes. Tonight there will be homework due. Yeah. So everything will be due tomorrow, including 9.4 on the portfolio. Okay? Yes. Okay, guys. Good luck tomorrow. Okay, so we didn't stop exponents and their properties, but we reviewed the